Hey everyone, welcome back to Joliet English Stories. I'm excited to have you here. What does it mean to keep your eyes peeled? Keep your eyes peeled is an idiom that means to watch carefully or be observant. It's often used when you're looking for something or need to be alert to something happening. The phrase suggests being vigilant and ready to notice whatever you're waiting for. As for the history of this phrase, it's believed to have originated in the 19th century. The term peeled in this context is thought to be derived from the verb peel, which can mean to remove or strip away something. The idea is akin to peeling back the eyelids to keep the eyes wide open, ensuring that one is paying close attention. The idiom is sometimes attributed to Sir Robert Peel, a significant figure in 19th century British politics, known for founding the Metropolitan Police Service. However, there's no direct evidence linking him to the origin of the phrase. The association might come from a play on his last name, Peel, and the idea of keeping one's eyes peeled or open. It's more likely that the phrase evolved from the colloquial language of the time, as many idioms do, and became popularized through common usage. Regardless of its exact origin, keep your eyes peeled has been a widely used phrase in English for over a century and remains a colorful way to tell someone to stay alert. The phrase, keep your eyes peeled, can be used in various situations where attention or vigilance is required. Here are 20 examples demonstrating different contexts in which this phrase might be employed. 1. We're approaching the area where the rare birds are often spotted. Keep your eyes peeled. 2. Keep your eyes peeled for a parking spot. This area usually gets very crowded. 3. I lost my earring around here. Could you keep your eyes peeled while we walk? 4. As you go through the contract, keep your eyes peeled for any unusual clauses. 5. Keep your eyes peeled for the delivery truck. I'm expecting a package today. 6. While hiking, keep your eyes peeled for any signs of wildlife. 7. We're nearly at the flea market. Keep your eyes peeled for any antique clocks. 8. Keep your eyes peeled for a gas station. We're running low on fuel. 9. During the movie, keep your eyes peeled for the cameo appearance by the famous director. 10. When you read the manuscript, keep your eyes peeled for typos. 11. Keep your eyes peeled for a good cafe around here. I could use a coffee. 12. On the road trip, keep your eyes peeled for any scenic spots where we could take a break. 13. While sorting these old photographs, keep your eyes peeled for any with our grandparents in them. 14. Keep your eyes peeled for any clearance sale signs in the store windows. 15. When we're at the parade, keep your eyes peeled for the marching band. 16. Keep your eyes peeled for the exit sign. Our turn is coming up soon. 17. In the detective game, keep your eyes peeled for hidden clues. 18. As you browse the library, keep your eyes peeled for books on medieval history. 19. Keep your eyes peeled for your friend at the station. It's crowded, and he might be hard to spot. 20. During the cleanup, keep your eyes peeled for any of my missing earrings. In all these examples, the phrase is used to emphasize the need to be observant or to look out for something specific in various everyday scenarios. If you find value in what you see, make sure to subscribe for more. And for those who've been with us, Liking this video would be a great way to show your support.